हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे एक्सरसाइज 11.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पढ़ने से पहले दो फॉर्मूला और पढ़ेंगे। कल हमने सेक्टर के फॉर्मूलाज पढ़े थे, आज हम सेगमेंट के फॉर्मूलाज बताते हैं। सेगमेंट्स, that is sector, when this is covered by a chord, that is a segment, that is a minor segment, and that is a major segment. O, A, B, that is a P and a Q. A, P, B is minor segment. For this, so area of a minor segment equals to pi r square theta upon 360 minus r square sin theta upon 2. That is formula. That is major segment. AQB, that is a major segment. Area of a major segment equals to pi r square minus area of a minor segment. Means area of a circle, pi r square is area of circle minus area of a minor segment. Now question number 4. A chord of a circle of a radius is a 10 centimeter. Substance is a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and a major segment. That is a circle. Chord of a circle of a radius is a 10 centimeter. That is also 10 centimeter. Substance is a right angle. At the center, find the area of the corresponding minor segment and a major segment. First, minor segment. Equals to pi r square theta upon 360 minus r square sin theta upon 2. Pi r square theta, their pi is 3.14. So 3.14, r equals to 10 into 10, theta equals to 90 upon 360 minus r equals to 10 into 10, sin theta equals to, that is sin 90. Sin 90 की value is 1. So 3.14, 0 से 0 cancel, 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 34, 3.14 into 25 minus 10 into 10 upon 2 into 1. 2 5s are 10. Point cancel, 0 0, 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are that is 2. Therefore 57 upon 2 minus 50, that is equals to 78.5 minus 50 equals to 28.5 centimeter square. That is a minor segment area. Now major segment area. Area of a major segment equals to pi r square upon 360 minus theta, that equals to 3.14 into 10 into 10, 360 minus 90 upon 360. So there will be 3.14 into 10 into 10 into 270 upon 360. Point cancel, 100, that is cancel. So 471 upon 2, that equals to 235.5 centimeter square. Now question number 5. If a circle of a radius is a 21 centimeter and an arc subtend an angle of a 60 degree at the center, find the length of an arc. Area of a sector formed by the arc. Area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. That is 60 degree, 15 centimeter, 21 centimeter, that is 21 centimeter. First, the length of a arc. That equals to 2 pi r theta upon 360 degree. That is AB 2 into 22 upon 7, r equals to 21 into theta equals to 60 upon 360. 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21, 6 6 is 36, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3, that equals to 22 centimeter. Next, area of a sector formed by the arc. Area of the sector that equals to A of B, that equals to pi r square theta upon 360 degree. Pi 22 upon 7, r equals to 21 into 21, theta equals to 60 upon 360, cancel, 6 6 are 36, 7 3 is 21, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 2 1 is 2, that equals to 231 centimeter square. That is answer. Next, area of a segment. Area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord means minor segment, that equals to that is C. So area of a ACB, ACB, this is equals to pi r square theta upon 360 minus r square sin theta upon 2. Pi r square theta equals to 22 upon 7, r equals to 21 into theta equals to 60 upon 360 minus 21 into 21 sin 60 degree upon 2. Sin 60 की वैल्यू अंडर रूट 3 upon 2. So this will be 22 upon 7 into 21 into 60 upon 360 minus 21 into under root 3 upon 2 into 2. 7 3s are 21, 0 0, 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, that is 11. 11 21, and there will be 21 and 21 equals to 441, that equals to 231 minus 441 under root 3 upon 4 centimeter square. That is answer. Next, question number 6. A chord of a circle of a radius is a 15 centimeter. Subtend an angle of a 60 degree. 15 and that is 60 degree. Find the areas of a corresponding minor and a major segment of the circle. Their pi equals to 3.14 and under root value is a 1.73. Minor segment and a major segment. O, A, B, that is a C and that is D. Minor segment ACB and major segment ADB. Minor segment area of a segment equals to pi r square theta upon 360 minus r square sin theta upon 2. So area of a minor segment are pi r square theta upon 360 minus r square sin theta upon 2. Pi there is a 3.14, r equals to 15 into 15, theta equals to 60 upon 360 minus r square 15 into 15, sin theta equals to sin 60 upon 2. Sin 60 की वैल्यू under root 3 upon 2. So there will be 3.14 into 15 into 60 upon 360 minus 225 into under root 3 upon 2 upon 2. Cancel, 6 6 are 36. पॉइंट हटाया, 00, 2 3 2 जा 6, 3 5 जा 15, 2 1 जा 2, that is 157, 5 1 जा 5, 20, 5 4 जा 20, 5 3 जा 15. So this will be 471 upon 4 minus 225 under root 3 upon 4. Value for under root 3 is 1.73. So put the value 471 upon 4 minus 225, that is equals to 1.73 upon 4. Take LCM. 471 minus 225 into 173 equals to 389.25. So this will be 81.75 upon 4 equals to 20.43 centimeter square. That is the area of a minor segment. Now area of a major segment. Area of a major segment equals to area of a circle minus area of a minor segment. Area of a circle, that equals to pi r square minus area of a minor segment. Pi equals to 3.14, r equals to 15 into 15. Area of a minor segment we have calculated, that is equals to 20.43. So 3.14 into 225 minus 20.43. After calculation we have 0.706.5 minus 20.43, that equals to 686.06 centimeter square. 20.4375 will be found area of a minor segment. So there will be 686.06 centimeter square answer. So area of a major segment of a 686.06 centimeter square answer. Thank you.